Yes, what's up, my people? When I share my video, yeah. That's why the muffin. Share my video. Social media president Eddie Murphy, aka A1 of Germany. Come here. Good evening, wherever una tell. Yes, now Violele, una girl, una picking. Because I say they say I don't get respect. I come here today cause say my 30 yo. Eddie Murphy, one of Germany, aka Eragmoya. Epa, let's say sorry. Mufua, I'm making a night green and a mufua. You understand? We call it where we not say. You have to my way, me, I don't wait video now, 1 minute to 2 minutes, so half minute. I'll come and do it because you are my senior. You even reach to evil bombing, you understand? Based on the things where they stop for social media. Now make me myself I see they talk. Babe, bye. I want to say sorry to you because I don't bully you to the extent, eh? Even your wife, no one forgive me. Oh, shit! Glad for Eddie Murphy. If you know that you love me, tell Eddie Murphy sorry. I'm going to tell Eddie Murphy, I made Eddie Murphy forgive Avialele. Eddie, social media president, aka Eragmoya of Germany. I hear you. I salute you, pa. I toilet for you. I bet my yash for you. This morning yash I get it. Even the biggie belly when they say I get it, I bet now. I shake the biggie belly for you. You get what? Glad off for my shirt. Glad off for Eddie Murphy. Glad off for social media president. Hey, pa. I mean, I'm your SOYAO, you know. I'm your daughter. Well, you are here, you know. There must be a day I will look for help from you. You will give to me. You don't even remember I said we don't bully ourselves. Every not time make me now. Here get for yeah when you have delete video making you not start. Even the ones the bloggers they carry, I don't know where I'll for start. Whether on my page, I've been on my YouTube, but still a steeper. Forgive your girl. Forgive me. Some people say I don't get respect. I get respect, oh. Just that social media not they say the truth. Guys, me and Eddie Murphy we don't have issue again. I so much love the way yesterday say end, the way all of us stay sleep. We all wake up successfully. Without no saga, without no come here, let me kill you today. Without no let me kill you, and you know, Eddie Murphy, upon none the saga you. When I called you, oh my God, I thought that Eddie Murphy will not pick my call. I call it enoge no party no went to. Oh my go through, okay. And now I go phone no bed Eddie Murphy here. He can't no yakati, very better not block him, I will block him. So not the hero, you know why Eddie Murphy will block him in a page. The you a page you wear. He may most go a page in now. Why give me phone you? You know I have a bloggers here. Now you go a page Eddie Murphy here. Not like a page not like group a mommy's king. Not the mere Eddie Murphy page. Now you the other phone where you allow because or block avialele. You the other phone now. You are going no bag. You go no bet Eddie Murphy I call it. Oh my pig. I call again. Oh my pig. I call again. Mommy's king you wear. Continue I call it. Maybe I'll pick it. You are learning. I call again. Oh my pig like okay. Look here no. You can't listen maybe or real line. And I don't make the video you're telling me. Or guan. The woman you walk fear be a bros of panel tell you what fear boy. And that's Eddie Murphy. He is here pa. Oh one more color wag. Yes, I love Wavielele. Oh where Eddie Murphy give me call me. He bust laugh. He like oh shit. Social media president or when you tie. He get a pameno Avielele. He bust laugh. Avielele via if I don't do me anything, because all of us they look for view, eh? That's the way they bring another thing to social media. Those will not listen to it, that they look for where saga day. Oh my God. Eddie Murphy. Epa, you remember why Epa? You remain the social media president. Nobody change it because anybody will change your name. Me myself, I don't take you as my own. Only what you supposed to do, forgive Avielele. Now don't forget to police will come my house. Alagali, I don't forget. Native doctors the way write me, I don't forget. That will not be issue. We all need peace for social media. I mean, I saw you. Megui, amigo. I get you dummy. The social media frustrated. The social media was frustrated. You are webo. Area my brother. Met up in there. And one run here help me because of this saga. They not feel locate me, not talk or say they want help me. Hey, Paddy Murphy, I love you that day. For you to get that mic to call, to pick my call yesterday, boss laugh. He boss laugh as he picked my call. Hey, Claro for you. Only you now you. People will never even call you for. People will never call you. People will never even get close to you. They feel the way they talk for social media. And I saw me I be. I saw all the Benin people be. The office said they get bad art. But Eddie Murphy, you don't have bad art. If you have bad art, you will not pick my call. If Eddie Murphy have bad art, hey, Eddie, you will not pick my call. A past social media president. I'm very little boring. I don't time my way pa. Okay, you not really offensive. If I anywhere why for cost you, say later, come work out meet all your video. I can't drop them. You call it see the ones where bloggers they blog. My dear brother, move on. I mean, yes, so yeah, what first settle, so that I move on with our lives, so that we will get business to make for social media. We go get view, we go viewers, we go follow us by the things, you know. It's a guy me here. If Eddie Murphy, Claro for you, let you wanna you. I don't go reason your wife's style because now woman. Now understand. Now woman. Now I go reason the cause of your wife because you never want to bob okay woman. But I tell the social media all what. Like why you cheat it away. You know they work. You understand? Babe, I still love you and your wife, okay? Try to let your wife know, say, me, I know you troublemaker. As the rest, they look for view, and I saw me, they look for view. They say, now, let that. The time you guys come me on social media. Now, we must that today, Now, I follow now. They say, if you cannot beat them, you join them. Now, so it be a part take heart. A part take me as a mom, because for 28 years, it's a part. He make your man. Man, say even white made diet, so even white I'm still a baby. Usher, social media president, aka Ragboya of Germany. I so much go love you, pa. Upon all the threaten, upon all the threaten, we trust yourself. I tell you, say, I tell you, me I declare the Murphy a moniki the one. Imu ario gidi gaya de biene. Imu ario gidi ya rishewu. Ekwopi. Epepe soup ya koya yo. Because I mean na yes so ya you know. Epe Eddie Murphy. I come out today to come see. I'm so sorry. The lovers of Avielele, lovers of Eddie Murphy, you guys should all me comment. Sorry, Avielele say sorry to Eddie Murphy. Oh, man, forgive me. Oh, can't you maybe rock about saga lady. Or that for or with video when me with video. If your wife did not forgive her lagale, no problem. But maybe even saga or high saga the Murphy. He saga one with saga for he go on, you understand? Eddie Murphy, you remember our father in Germany. A part one, even if you're here married, then if you not they know they work. If I see, if I want to marry, as I say, I know they go Nigeria, so you supposed to stand for me as a father. You understand? If they work, people go they rent people for outside. May I come stand for them as a father. But the Murphy, I can see come to you. We want more, Timoanyo, and you know Negbe, and you not that 500 euro, 400 euro. I can buy it. I will locate you. If will your wedding Murphy, or I know 2 nights, may ask your wedding Murphy because a Munich image. Me when the Murphy, you not life like here, they say, what? You life like 2 nights, you say, well, than 1 night. Better lagale. I invite you and you must come to my party. One of social media president, aka Ragboya. And from today, I remain your daughter, pa. Take me. Forgive and forget everything I do to you, okay? Forget. If I curse you, my curse will not do you anything. If my curse go do you something, maybe ever since now, you for the repercussion will come, you understand? My curse is not doing you anything. Me myself, if I want to present something in social media, maybe people is there. I better let the curse. No verse for me. That's what my life be. Oh, where but me carry. My mom went Bible there. You understand? Oh, what one we say go war me like me carry. So that no wonder if somebody offend me, I feel say now only that cause. Now I go make that person leave me alone. Babe, boy, I feel it no, I return it to the devil. I return it to the devil to train track. It rock by wepa. What Tony Maga? You go get that white hair. Why you walking on social media and I'm outside? But that's now your type by the movie. A bad movie with him. Your wife, your wife, no, I've never know this saga again. Even this saga, yesterday I will message to your wife. I know this saga. Let your wife know, say, me I'll be like that too. I'm going to go see blessing, no get wife for me because a no get wife and a person will be saying me myself, I don't message to. A no get wife did not know me. If we no get self did not know me. I message to them based on some I'm looking for viewers in social media. I message to them anyhow because on the way I enter. After I enter social media, I see in a trouble I can't meet. I wish I enter social media, I can't see a better thing that they do for social media. Maybe cause no go come out of my mouth. Maybe me and anybody no go get issue. You understand? But as I enter social media, I saw that I come social media, I come meet problem. Come meet bring your head, we go die today. You know, I go join them because they don't yak me time if you cannot beat them. You join them. That is why I joined them, my people. Don't to reason it. When I don't reason, I feel like get respect. And they don't cook when one. Or when they cook, I respect in so that all your words are here. Log, understand? Me want respect. My sick on see. And God go bless and not get wife for me. Because I remember when I do video and I say tell no get wife, say, Mama, forgive you, eh? And the woman retake me. He forgive me. He just forgive me. He don't even remember the things them. And that period, a video in me concern and not give up with bloggers they go to read the post them. Yeah, post hey. That me see amount the problem for. But still see no get the no reasoning. Our wife did not reason it. So that say I feel you even call it say I want to talk to mama. I will talk to mama. Me and I no go get issue. As they tell yesterday, say if you near me, I be better person. Even Mommy Skin can tell you that. Mommy Skin can tell you that. Forget how they come social media and call the cause. If you even see me for ground, you slap me. I will give you your last time you slap. That's how it be. Not be everything where they bring on social media. Not be the truth. You understand? Epa the Murphy. I bet you assure you get wiper. Claro for you get wiper. Epa, you remember if I hear you remember the father of Germany, aka Pasi. Me myself, I'm sorry for the cough, okay? Me myself, my papa, I will promise you, get why? I will promise you salty pie the Murphy. Today, so from that yesterday, stroke today. Now see, social media don't they cool. And don't say this piece all of us they look for some people go try to put us under. We will need the peace, more poor together to pursue those people that want to put us under. More pursue all of them, make them close their accounts, close their social media, make them enter house. Now be waiting me now go stand put. You understand the Paddy Murphy? And I'm so sorry for everything, for the bullying, for the area I offend you, Paddy Murphy. Forgive me. If your wife did not forgive me, I'll can how many forgive me, I'll but Paddy Murphy, my baby, why just like the way I take on to Monica, me Monica still forgive me. That's why I take on to you for you to know say I get respect. I hey, beg any before no. I go come because my live video now for bully you. Now yes, so I go for sit tell you say pass sorry. Forgive your girl, forgive your pikin. 28 years a year, make your man. We are hearing. That's why. They walk anyhow, you understand the Paddy Murphy? Ya myself wa. Don't my affair. I make an agbelegbere, you know. I make an agbelegbere Paddy Murphy. Where's on my work with his then? Ni me na gwalo wa. Shall we happy we gwalo ware? Happy we gwalo wa. Mere happy. Here I you go with over. Here to give we mere cap. I de capeti bar on the problem. A problem of here way. When you offend when you tell me sorry. So people that offend are Made the time really sorry, oh. Because Eddie Murphy and Monica now be the people who office say sorry to. The rest presenter Maka and why we waka believe and why when the saga they continue. What am I sorry because this saga have to drop right now. It have to drop. We all have to do another business because for Nigeria, so die. A lot of things they happen for Nigeria. Now the things they now want more they bring come out for social media. Yeah. If Eddie Murphy bring problem of Curtis for Nigeria, me I join. A lot of people join. Curtis go stop. You understand? If he bring all those people where they go they kiki, me join. All of us pull hand. Everything go stop. Saga not be everything. All those kill you die today. We all have to stop it. You understand, my people? We have to stop it. Where they just have to leave you right now. Because when me are one Eddie Murphy, one of Germany, aka Eragmoya, Epa clear for you, Epa too much. Epa see, if not me, now you call yesterday, you go quick me release. What did I do you? You understand? You go quick me release. You understand? Epa, you pick my call. Epa pick my call. He laugh. Epa pick my call like this. I say, oh shit. He said you tie. Social media president of when you tie. Social media president of when you tie. Social media president of when you tie. Now Epa me no aviele leo. Epa boss laugh. Epa laugh. It's a violent way. Papa very rock ba. Pagia moins software. If you ask my affair, well, the opponent the bobo ageke the view assistant. I know you say. I tell you the fool. I tell you it's not no you win you. The full European, the full Nigeria. All of them will be watching us. I don't know, saying a few will see the wash us. I so much go love yesterday because you open your heart and receive my call. Epa, God will bless you. Epa, see the matter I tell you sort you. Epa, I return the swear to devil. I return the swear to devil. Epa, nothing will happen to you. Who we are turning manga? Understand? Why you boy here? Anybody know it? Your bar will tell Nigeria name. They can say your mom. Anybody know you offend you, put the case on my hand. But if you're part of here, he will pay. If yes, so. If I saw you everything, all the time I was sorry. You just have to forget. You just have to forget the things the way pass. Forget if my friend can't bully way. Let's move on with our life. Some people there when you say you don't go forgive yesterday. Epa, this social media what they do so. We all need peace. But as you be our leader now, you can't say more all of us gonna forgive each other. Epa, anybody can anyway social media and the make error we help. We are fair for. Forget things. We are for. Don't know if there's another topic we all have to bring to this live video. You understand? Oh share. Clear up for you. Social media president. I love you, Epa. I love you from yesterday. Stroke today, stroke ever. I can never insult you again. Look, Monica. Ever since I tell Monica, say, Mama, thanks for forgiving me. You see me? I know a few message to Monica. But if I see some video where they do it no clear, I will let them know, say no. Me take Monica as my own, eh? Nobody, I might be a presenter. No, here do I bully Monica avec the measure. Never. Eru where we are Eddie Murphy. Eru where to go where we. I don't take you as my own. Anybody where go say one message to you wrongly. Now darkness video anywhere. May they wait for me. Me and them go pull left for one trouser. We go pull left for one trouser. Mo see the end now. You know understand? Eddie Murphy, thank you so much. And people will be say. They don't see advance. They love what Eddie Murphy say yesterday. What go on? What they go on for Eddie Murphy platform yesterday and the no get platform. You guys love it. Then they see one minute video. I know say lots go put asunder. I know say they go put asunder. Say no, this one can never work. You that want to put asunder for the things what we want try to do. So for the peace where we define, we go join head together to make sure say that person go enter house. Even if you don't tell where start live video, we go join head together to make sure say that person he don't enter house. You understand? What is this one they write? What be your problem? When I not cost Monica, when I not cost Monica, don't cost Monica, don't cost Eddie Murphy, don't cost me. You understand? I don't call you gun fight. This one are just peace. We are here for peace, okay? I don't want come they buy internet, come they do fight again because ever since I they do fight with Unana, right down, Nana they tell me. No one they tell me say bring bank. May you put money. Even if I don't feel receive your money, I go receive your money for Nigeria. I get bank for Nigeria, okay? Yeah, I beg now peace we need. Now peace now they find. Yes, I so much go love today. I did the EPA 1 of Germany. Erak Moya, EPA. For you to even get mad to forgive your godson. Who be me where you no go forgive? Who be me where you no go forgive? EPA, you get good heart, you get why? Because I don't yak with way can I make joy webu. Oh, one no me la oh wa. Eddie Murphy. The very first day me and you call each other. When you called me, I was in a live video. We thought ourselves. You don't know whether I get good heart. Me myself, I don't know if you have a good heart. But today, so yesterday I can't call you. If not some people, let me tell you, if not me, as I hear your voice, I will call the call because I dey get temperature. My temperature go dey high. I'm not a lie. You understand? Bepa, you get the mind to pick a vielele call, say a vielele. Ila, a vielele. Yawe, iwe pa wa we viro pa gya mwesofwa. Gya mwesofwa. Ezo eriye ve no mo. Ezo bio magbo me. Me I don't join before I know say ezo bio magbo. Now me join, I come out, I join again, I come out, I go say no, you not go work. I go rejoin again because my viewers is going down every day. But right now, let all of us pull it together. More happy shoulder. If I get any business to bring to this social media, I have a lot of business. So now the laziness and I feel say if I bring my business, nobody will come and view my business. I have a lot of business here. A lot. Now with all you want buy. Not be you my all those pashiko with where I pack come from Nigeria. It's there for years. I lock everything for them. I'm not fixing it. They are just there. Sometimes my girlfriend go come, I go dash and one, dash and two. He go carry go house. The rest is there here and I'm money I take by him. You understand? If I can't bring them to social media right now, nobody will come and buy. Nobody will come and view because of they are looking for where Saga deal. Epa, I so much go love yesterday because you get the mind to pick my call. That means you need peace. You have the mind to even talk to me fine. That means Epa, Eddie Murphy, I love you. Get what? I don't feel bad at you. Joy, Mama, it's okay because Mommy is okay. Oh we the conscious, they come leak coffee. Why I was very really keep one moon very around moon because the work of very appear with your vehicle. You moon very around. Where is that? Maybe a police or here no where more you eh? What is that? Mommy, I not said the thing pay yesterday, man. I'm kidding. Cause we forget to cause we rock my man. Now this one be the belle. I wish now saw this belle be. Where here you draw me to Saga. Therefore don't see the one with the screen touch. But right now, my stomach, I feel if we wear this one I wear so. I go burn off, come back. Without the belle no go make move. You don't understand? Oh shit. I get Murphy, Mama G. I make a nana you know. Where you curse each other, you must forget because nobody they feed. Oh, we are the social media. We know we know what we they look for. Now the daily bread we they look for. But ever since I start the saga with the people where say that they do saga, me don't see daily bread though because they say if you not dupe people money, you not go see money. Me, I not the dupe. You understand? Right now, I so much go love today and yesterday, I love it because I tell the movie say I want to live video, I can dance around. He so much go love it. He want say no, I'm not get well, mama merewa. I want get well, mama me warewa. I can do 3 hours video, 5 hours video because of you and your husband. See, then I forget and yeah, forgive and forget. Forgive and vielele forget. Ever now you I come for so. The rest when they say I don't bully them, if they don't tell me sorry, I don't tell them sorry. The rest when they say I don't bully them, they don't bully me. If they go come back say I'm very sorry, then men ready me I make a 5 hours video. Now I have to mishishi of them say sorry. That's why it be because all not your man I want, all will have a one. But right now, all of us want to pull it together to make sure say something and something. Epa, eri veje we mabere nania unu ni meka ya tie bono. In fact it went last week unu ya rovie we e do ya tama we na we epa sorry epa forgive avielele. You understand? Eri veje we kemi ni Monica riri we epa wa mujoto wa ave mujoto la o ane kina gbelegbere eri veje we kemi neru gwa la riri we epa wa ave mujoto because ane kina gbelegbere wa veru gwa la va pe wo wa e Monica va pe wo bet ma bu gwa ma va pe bezo e mata no la dia with social media e bateru gwa la bate Monica bezo me we Monica ne eru gwa la me mi e wo to bet we ne ma ya bully eru gwa la me to bi me ma like wa wo pa wa bully eru gwa la no ya ma where send the message the hair ne come bo come we can li eke yo can lo da yo here do a message to that man anyhow. Now that one so now they come they bring insult to the person where bring papa while to social media. Epa if all those things fit go down, epa we go love you. I from yesterday I love you. Yes, it may be even our mama man because I so much go love yesterday video. I love yesterday video. As soon as I enter one entire video, as I enter, I go because I said no time don't go. This morning, I will come out and say sorry to Eddie Murphy. Very important. Eddie Murphy, I've yelled a lot of time away and now we're sorry. And you can never receive any insult from me again. Never. I don't go feel open live video. The same love I give to Monica and the same love I give to you. So I don't go open my live video. May I tell you, may I come they say did you come? Let's start today. No, it no go ever happen. Epa itself, aka Eragmoya, Epa one of Germany. Anytime you drive to Munich, he bossy, we're not barren. He bossy, we have to wash your when you are when it's a mogamen now. I have somewhere to go. Ni mu we are you get no yari show, no ya we are coming here because understand. Epa do that put music. Because we need to dance. Dance and forget your sorrow. Yes. Dance and forget your sorrow. Dance and forget your sorrow. Let's put music. Music. Wait. When I feel you. said your mom, oh, ye me and not tell our way, or ye the good Latin. Oh, give me like that though. If you can't even help me to tell the Murphy sorry, get away from my page. Don't give me right there. Fastane. I trade okay? I swear for your papa. You want me? I swear for you. I don't know that they talk so. I mean, I know they swear. Don't stop to they swear. Thank you too. God bless you. Please help me to tell the Murphy sorry. You should forgive me. Even if I do this video 10 times, 100 times a day, it go hard, you know. But still, tell the Murphy sorry. If I say I should go and drop those videos, I don't know where I will start. I don't know where I will end them. And if I even drop one for my own channel, the bloggers that blog it, they will not drop it. You understand? But I show the Murphy anywhere where I can make a video I did, the way I did they do Monica, I will still do all like that. But if you know that you offend me, you want me the peace, you're the rain as the rain they goes. Say sorry to me. If you don't say sorry to me, if I take the Murphy, tell them. May they say sorry to me. I can make video and tell them sorry. Without that, I go bully them all. I'm my own crazy guy. My own crazy guy leg. If they want this peace, should just be may yours they carry on. Everybody should forget the past. May they forget the things the way fair happen. Yes, man, that's what it be. May they forget. You get one. Get one music while I'm playing. I'm okay. For a few days, I just say I like, oh, it's the left of my day. of people. Wait, no. If I see what you comment later, I can't see say you there among of people who don't need peace. I swear, I go enter you. I swear I go leave the rest presenters alone. You will not be that presenter. Will be the commenter. Yeah, don't allow me to start the saga here right now because no more saga. Benin people, we all have to love ourselves. Yes, the love, so we so much go love it. Avialele, he love it, the peace, not the social media now because I go gain them, you go gain them. That time, you know, if they waste your money for internet, maybe they watch saga. That time, you will get time to even know the time where your husband want to take clothes for work. You will feel go cook for your husband. You don't go leave your children for school. You go know the time where you take go clean your carry your children for school. Because when some people they watch saga, they not go know. You understand? They don't know. My people, I love today. I know say this video where I do suppose some people will say wa going bro. And the cake and wariri ashi waka offend the and you not tell me sorry. Tell them the way they offend me that you should come and say sorry to me. Without that, yeah, they be bullying, yeah, bring to the estate, eh? Oh God, body go inform them. They know me, yeah. They know me. Me fianya be any me ati way me ta. My baby ni me worry na the same mat liam with the mofi go to the social media me. Even yare na do time the mofi we no sorry. Epa, swallow for you. Epa, only you wanna you get where. Epa see, if now another people they not go fit take out just the way you take out so. Epa, if you want even come up for your house drive, come meet me for my house here. You not take you how many hours. You go come on drive, come here. You understand? You come follow me, make the problem. Shey you feel me, but you don't do that. You don't do that, but I see the things. You understand? But still not still, we don't forget. We don't forget. We don't forget the things that we fair pass. More forget. Let's move on with our life. If those who get business, if you know that you not learn business for Nigeria, you know you are not a market trader. Do you know what you would do? Please. Nigeria get problem. There is too much problem for our country. Die, kidnapper, different things. There is a things we all have to be teaching for social media. A mirror not any teach. A bad leader cinema. We have to teach them something. Forget. Hungry they beat our Nigeria people. They feel say na the vaccine and they need. We have to tell them the things where they need to hear. Through this social media, everything will be fight. A part the most if he get any topic where one carry come out for send Nigeria issue now, a lot of people go point. If I did work, say you don't do the video before I make them. Me myself, I go enter the video, still give my opinion. Everything not be quarrel. You understand? Everything not be quarrel. I have a one time my mommy Monica. Can we my mommy yo? Mwezo fwa. You understand? Mwezo fwa. Ezo bio magmo. Ezo rieni agmo giowa. Me deba wane me ke wezo this poor person name. Mo avielele worldwide ni ya ewe Monica na. Eke ni riri ogwe mese no agbunu jeni ati me mama based on the respect where I respect myself. Because of social media, a lot of people look down on me. They say, this girl no be like this before. This girl why they respect. Hey, not respect herself again. My dear, you can do or not do because you are looking for view. This view as a thing, a lot of people, they need that view. Yeah. All of us want to popular. Because before, when my mother give birth to me, the time when my mama they do get they come, they never they see phone. They no see phone, no internet. How they want to communicate. They not they see phone, nobody. They don't get internet. They don't even get telly. They go people as well they watch telly that time. That time where they reach get they come. They don't before they use phone, you know. But right now, my old time, they are using phone, and I know what they call social media. Now the money, now I need for them. Now the genuine way, now I need. When I knew enter my live video for Avialele, I was doing something good. The way this woman, if that woman not tell me sorry, me not go live out with video. See where that video come mad call me for saga because I was not doing saga before. And he called me for saga, me and you he can't stop. Then based on I don't be saga, I don't be freedom fighter for social media. Any topic will come, I go rise on. That's why I think enter the Murphy home. For real. Ever since when me and the Murphy they bully ourselves. If I not screw my phone, if I not screw and meet Eddie Murphy, if I not see Eddie Murphy for life, I not give one red dead. Eddie Murphy not they know whether person like me they exist. But now when I go give one red dead, now I go have yelele monthly I go come go comment where he no like. I go say yelele, hey, I go go hey, this alale. Now Misty be this one so. I believe that picture where very you go screen touch. Walai. I wish na so I be that time. You don't go see anything break come out. Because screen touch me. He say I get biggie belly. But see me right now. Igba vaye PM. O wana gba oge kwe all reduce. O waka we dey you don't do weko. You don't do weko. Anyway, we don't throw away those ones, you know. If I the Murphy let your wife know saying I really don't forget to. I don't forget. I don't forgive and forget. Me I wanna not get anything issue again. You understand the pay the Murphy? Me and you not get anything issue. Like now you bring better topic now. Some areas, some people can say, why you talking like that? I go kill them for you. You don't go talk again. Me myself, I go kill them, furnish them. Make sure say they die for this earth. For only you. Yeah, if we do that one for you, pay the Murphy. And I so much go love it. Oh God. If I get the mic to pick up Avialele call, if you too much. They say, do ya pita wo wana mejo why eke na mejo ewebu. Epa whoever that have issue with you and he no call you, he no make friend with you, that person, I don't sure say go make life for. When I collect one, hear am. Because the Murphy you get that. Now live video. Now live video. See, I feel you carry knife. Come and say, come. If you come, I'll kill you. But if I see you for grant, I don't go do you anything. I go even embrace you. If I see you for grant, I go embrace you. Make sure say you dey okay. Now so me I be. Just reason me and a go. I don't bully a go. Bully. So say one day reach like this. Me and I go meet ourselves for beer parlor. We go drink, forget the things they won't don't do to each other, you know. Now so it be a part. I want me all of us they use one eye till they look each other. If you say I need help, and you know the way you take help me, you go every year, you can see send me that help. You understand? Let us put out together. More make sure say Bini go get that respect. Cause of Megbenia, why give ye to money ye to na? Come on, no when ni viedzo, ni majuri night, ni maya okba, we go put it together, make sure say that person will go down. If that person no enters, if you no enters, he go still die for road. You know understand? Eddie Murphy, thank you so much, Shepa. I so much go love today, and I happy today. I love today, and Kevin radio budget pain. Hey, I feel Zuna no get why? Because who are women no man? You know do my own bad. Because if you be bad man, the way some people tell the reason you if you be bad man, you don't go pick my call. Even your wife they say, Avialele, oh whatever. You never say Bobo Kewu. Eh, po ye bi agbo de yo nu. O ye bi atabe wa si aye. Epa. Epa, I love you. I love you. Even if your wife don't love me, I love you. Be ti bare we pa o ka we. Because ma o ka we ikatara ti ma do like me wo. A do baro do pa oku ro. Oku. I love us of Avialele. Thank you all so much for today. Please help me to wish Eddie Murphy. Tell Eddie Murphy he should please forgive me. He should please forgive Avialele anything. I beg for forgiveness. Please forgive me. I beg. Your boy you go as in where omona ego we gwalo me because I want me where de problem go normal with social media maybe ya pack you know de problem go normal with social media. You understand? They pay. Now we'll go. Forgive what we were. Forgive me. I see you're dirty. Yeah. Even as I talk to you, so my family they wash me. I get brothers and sisters for Spain, for Germany, for Italy, for UK. They are washing me. Ever since when me and you they get issue. Mostly my senior sister. The pastor where they say where they France. He always call me sir. What did they do you? Why you go they fight with Eddie Murphy? I say, Mama, now view as I define. Now viewers at the friend go say no, you have to stop it. My senior sister pastor, if they tell me, you know, if once I watch they do this video, so it must be there watching me that I go watch and later. It go so much go love today. And the parent, thank you. You understand? For even picking my call, for telling me say Avialele, yeah, thank you. Now me be person will be say all my friends from Nigeria, they're there for Europe. They are watching me. Now me be the person will be say all my family, Nigeria, European, that they watch me. You understand? That they watch me anywhere where they go. They see say the road no dey there. Now that my senior sister, pastor, now they always tell me, sir, where you they go? You don't go drop them off for where you they go. I say, Mama, I bet now view person they find. Now view person they find. I say view. Where they saw view. Okay. Then now in a doorway, and they stand so much go love it. Egbeme ya fe love it, epa yo. Egbeme ya fe ya love it because okbeni meke we gwire nezo. Imami again, so I have to still withdraw. Everybody have to withdraw for the problem, really, because me mami again, we mami again. That's so it be. As very magmo no one, very people. Tell the Murphy sorry, but you can't comment on another thing. You don't tell the Murphy may forgive Avialele. Oh, thanks for forgiving Avialele. Ya bully we, ya boy, igwe ass down, igwe ass up, igwe ya. Use your head. No, I don't curse anybody. Don't insult me or don't insult the Murphy. Don't insult Monica. Don't insult any presenters. Okay? So love us, I so much go love you now. Because he make any announcement, you know. I don't know where I want for start. If I say I might go to start for somewhere, I don't know. Bestie, mani viedzo. Keke ni mamu kugbe ni Mario Bok bazi. Ni mamu kugbe. Mo will look for this peace. I don't say some believe go dead there. Some go be missing blood. Why some not go be the missing blood? They go one come put asunder for this peace where we want make soon. But road no go there for them. Road no go there. I know say some bloggers go there their side and say he. Avialele, eri me waje karatagi me, edede okoko me, edede ije no kwa no koko mo tama me we, una offend no say we, ege ase no ya beg you have to put your two knee for ground. Who beg? Yes. A senior brother give me not see me. No we me gwena. E katarati magahi with Nigeria. Katarata agbele. I throw a blow with the fights. You understand? The senior brother give me. Who be back by your who be every once in 2 years ona ya hearing ona ka bu finish your 6 months so like 6 months around $1 year now every once in 2 years ona ya hearing esi no bother me gbon bi be na wa nure ja gbelegbe wa na die we must die today ije na so it's never gbelegbe wa o boyfriend and girlfriend were here, you know. I was a troublemaker, but damn. Any woman can look for my senior brother. I wow there get away. Or when I go away. He go get away. He go a relationship or what? Any heavy joga more coming. I got fish over here. Any man only go castle one or if you're born a man, if you're born a man, up with me until what? Ajay, my wife so great talago, but my agbina. Body mela na say me do am free. You do free. I don't hear freedom in me. We body freedom. Yes, your brother, me get freedom. We body freedom in my people. And they not say nata man tamu wa me nana because right from Nigeria I may have me temperature. Temperature give me really high. I be person where they quit a verse. Before the swear go come out of my mouth, I not go know. You understand? And once I don't talk, I don't talk. I know say because I don't talk, I go to delete the video. Sometimes go day. I go see some video. I go work out me some video where I don't take bully a lot of people. I go work out me some video where I don't take bully a lot of people. Jesus. I'll come they look. Yeah, it's a great if I look, I'll laugh. I say, God, when I tell you this video, who give me that mind? If I want to start to the beg, now why I want to start? Even before I come to this Eddie Murphy, I even ask myself, if time reach for me at Eddie Murphy, more take settle. Where I want to start to the beg Eddie Murphy? Where? Now I say, God, now you lead me to do this video. You will be the one to lead me to start for somewhere begging Eddie Murphy, where Eddie Murphy will forgive me. Yeah. But I just call Eddie Murphy, even the minute I used to call Eddie Murphy yesterday. You don't even reach how many minutes. More check him. You don't even reach. You don't even reach how many minutes. Why they call Eddie Murphy? And the man laugh. He bust laugh. The man laugh. You know? He bust laugh. He say, oh, now we palm me rock by, you know. They do me anything. Wow, the time now 11. Now 11:45, yeah. 11:42. Now I take all on, but the time where I take all I know. Sure. You don't show. You don't show. So love us, huh? I love you now. Wawesi. And wala wo better me Eddie Murphy. I went not loud, not forgive you, man. Yeah. No, I will, so. I'm maybe not enough for, you know. I'm maybe not enough for. If you offend somebody who is senior, you try to go beg them. Oh, share, claro for Epa Eddie Murphy, aka Eric Boya of social media. Hello, Papa, no avialele. Don't want that see Epa, hey, you are laughing to him at Tigwe. You want to go pay, forgive me, one. I walk out here, remember Moko pay. Forgive me, one social media now, okay. That no make one make them know the way they want to start them. If I say I go to drop all your video, I don't know where for start it. If I see, I beg for forgiveness. If I forgive me, la wo. Your boy I will her, you know. Your boy will her pa. Femi ya fair kwa, you know. Moi for the mama. Umwa ye live video. Azo we for the mama. Okay. Yeah. Where's the daddy? Where's the? I'm so. Iriano. Iriano, darling. Iriano, daddy. Yeah. Yeah. He said, he said that day. He said, because I remember na yezo we pa we say kakabogu forgive you man, because you are a good man, you remain our father, you know. I was sorry my way we do agree for some time now. Because moya gwalo we ma dey gbo we may exist, you know. I look for your trouble and you give me that trouble. If I so much love it, say, you can later look, say, avialele, na pikin we be say, okay, can we be bamo koko, you know? Ijo boro, no keke ni mele gwalo, adio buwa, no fisi, say, because of a social media, or magu me gwali jo bo adio bowe, based on email in social media and ta. But I so much go love today. You get, you free, as in, you free my mind. Even if maybe even not alone, is a wonderful sleep. You may understand. After you may watch a live video on your phone, you may watch a live video. Okay, it no give for you. Watch your wife phone. You when you more drama, you drama make for me. May have your bedi. That's why I take sleep. I sleep like baby. As I wake up this morning, be like say a dream for me. And I said no, I must go to a party Murphy. A social media president, you remain our leader, pa. I so much go love you, and you get the mind to forgive me, pa. Keke no wana really offend on one beg for forgiveness, and that person will forgive you, pa. Pa, you too much. Even way your boss you we bona. Ya fa zona no pa. Kebo ni really tie no. Ya fa here ego no. All of them go bring a part to you. He can never bring sorrow to you, pa. I return the swear I swear for you to the devil. Nothing will happen to you, pa. Nothing. What told him why you walk here, pa. And I so much go love today. Why ya ferry your book ube? Now ya forget me ya fair because me bu no Nigeria no keke ni ma teach. A lot of people get business to say because of saga. They no go see you go view them. If I forgive you, then no so no boy deba we pa. So boy deba we for the wa we wa dey body care do factory. We for the baba. We for the baba re variant. Huevo, Isagboya, huevo. Isagboya, huevo, mami, yo, huevo. Huevo, ite ni ite. Awe ti be de ga ku egwa ni ite. Ite je. Where is Sagano? If you are Simagwalo here, if you are Simagwalo, I think baby the bar. I say if you cannot be there, you join there. Mama say, let the viewers, let the young one if you are say your mangi renia. Here, but no rero. Oh, mama, if you wanna be go social media la, again the error ya. Ube. Mama, yo. He pay me say, you say, he pay me where they worry me. I go address to where. Me not do one wiki with two way. If I hear, mama, she. Oh, when you mama, we forgive me. We may forgive me. Itigwe, mama, matemani bagbe. Itigwe, you muvete buriki. Oh, muvete buriki, mama budia, mama itigwe, mama matemani bagbe. Ija, me o were mekele webo, me o were mekele webo. We understand. Well, by Sagano, if you ask him, why when you have rest, you know, muyoto mommy. Keke ni na offend the way muyoto, keke na offend other from way muyoto, ma. Mama, ma offend you offend the way, you bully jamais. Ogwani offend me, you street touch come la dia, e ma offend e ke ni yin na la data mi me sorry, me to bi mi ave la data mi e sorry. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, be a popular mommy be wave pa me wa burena. Where to bu where you have to forgive me. Or give you another video ni he. Or give you. Ni wa kwe, we se mommy, we se. Where's mommy? Where's una forgive you, oh. Where's mommy? Where's kakabo? Oh, saga was stop you now. Saga was stop. Okay, man, come on, when the saga stop you. In my have your book, my measure with the person on la. You understand? Saga was stop you now because like we saga, mommy get in or a cat a bonnet or what can't get it you know why? We just have to stop it. You understand? More they bring all that thing to social media, more can they teach people. Claro for you. Kuli yala wa shentroke ayani gbekwego. Iyani wa mune kori kwo. Ne maro kwo akuni ya fela wa so ebie pa. Ade your back pa. Ogweni mi are win me video nu wewu. Yare imo so analyze video ni oni makeke di ma agun aji. You understand? Saga mure na gbegbe wa o. You know, epa wagagbo ya fe forgive it, na forget me ya fe na unegbe, you know. Epa, I love you. But thank you so much. I love your wife also. Wa wese kakabo, wa wese daddy, wese. Oma daddy, abai daddy, okay na. Yes, that's how it be, my people. And the passe, may I tell you, sorry. I be no one make count for this live video. I be one come make you personally based on. If he come tell me sorry, I tell him sorry because if you reason the case that time, it might offend the video. You offensive, eh? As I have the dance, just now I be dancer. I love to the dance. Even my senior brother, now magician, now I be magician work. Before I left Nigeria, if my senior brother carry guitar come out like this, they play guitar. Now so I go come out, they shake my hands. My mommy go say, oh, ma, you know, how they shake my hands, they follow my brother. Say, hey, the day when my brother go start to they play music. Now me go they dance, they follow my brother. Before I enter this Europe, do you understand? But if you come to me and they bring me to social media, but see, we all need peace. We need peace. If you so sorry for the bully I bully you, okay? Sorry. Yeah, you understand? Yeah, because why the reason and my work bully again, error. You didn't gain anything from it. Me myself, I didn't gain anything from it. But we just have to rest. Forgive and forget. You understand? But the rest people why I get issue with, if they not tell me sorry, there must be a time where I see message to them. Saga already what they don't be personally. You understand? They are not say they will tell me sorry. We all more just be one. And I so much good love today. Epa di Murphy Wese Kakabo. Mommy Soken Wese. For forgiving me alone. For even telling me I should get up for where I tell it down. Mama, God will bless you, get where. Mama, God will bless you, get where. Keboke bonitie nuwe kuwe koda fonwe. Uwe wirokba. Vie pagwe. Epa ya locate gwe. Na money you go receive. You no go receive sorrow. You understand? The same mat me ya kana. Ewe ya change e boni no. Ewi rokba hia uwe. Ewi rokba uwe. Uwa wada fun wa ato. Uwa as in una go hold. They use okbo te de waka. I love today, my people. And God will bless all of you. For those who never waka me this video, I know you will waka me time later. I beg. Say sorry. Tell Eddie Murphy thank you for even forgiving me alone. Eddie Murphy and the wife. I'm gonna thank them for me. And God will bless all of you. You know, God will bless you now. God will shower now with much of blessing. Because my mind now don't free. I'm a free baby. Yeah. I'm a free baby. I don't bomb me away. Imi aya digma wedene na me digma igma no make ha wede. Oh ha me. Beni meke we saga. Me sigma igma gi ha me a o ina do down, we go to down, we go to. Be problem do foreign. Imi na jigi me ya digma na must hide me to the extent I'll sleep well, I no go make problem again. And God go bless those we stand for today. All the viewers una we love the topic where I carry come today. God will bless you now. God will bless you now with too much of blessing. Please don't keep bad comments. I didn't come here to come and saga anybody. I come here to come and say sorry to Eddie Murphy. You understand? Say sorry to Eddie Murphy. And thanks to Eddie Murphy wife and Eddie Murphy for forgiving me. Because of you can hear him, eh? And me, me carry women, man. Eddie Murphy, DM, man. He senior me, even a wife senior me. Yeah. He senior me. They don't say that me go look for their trouble. You understand? And I still come out today say Eddie Murphy sorry because of your man me to be me ma eh. Based on agwale viewers na odos yoku. But any viewers me ke gwale eti e problem o gbe e first page me. Aweti ma mo problem la first page me. E ga wu pa kwa grow here. My people, God will bless all of you now. Una do well. God will bless you now. I know say a lot of Benin people would like to put asunder. For this thing, where your sub so. I better not go put asunder, make put asunder for the prayer. Why I pray for the Murphy or the one where the Murphy pray for me. Because a pattern. Or when anybody bore all the dick where they pregnant women. Women where no one stay with their husband, where they let police they deport their husband. A lot of things where they happen for this Germany here. We go they bring everything to the social media. We go bring them to the extent a lot of people go love it. You go love them. Me go love them. Everybody go love them. May all be peace. One love to all Benin. Yeah, one love. Because I the book your marijuana. If you retire, say they go Nigeria. So we born me we go. Forget that I don't go Nigeria. I know you go Nigeria. When the time reach, now me and you go Nigeria. Because if I open my live video, I dey safe flight. Now me and you go land for that Nigeria country. Because I went born. He hear my work. He go your making agwale. Then he go say, "Man, me he mwek bo me because that me mo gwa do. He je me mo gwa do mwek bo me ikpa. Ikpa ye wona re na so it be. I started life in the move. I so it be. So my people, I so much go love you now. Thank you all so much for today, and God will bless you now. I beg my people. May I come later. May I come talk another topic because we get another issue to bring come out later, but not before saga. We just have to arrange some things later, you know. I beg. If you be say you never they follow me before, follow this page. You understand? I know they do saga again. All those analyzing, no. We just have to stop it. More bring another topic to social media. More they teach them. Yeah. Any topic where our Baba bring come out, our father of all nations. Any topic where bring come out, all of us go join hand. Make sure say that topic, we go see the end of that topic. Eri mani we do ri money ma well. Wala wo go. Why ya internet ya make a problem. May everybody be one. One love to all Benin people. Love you guys for good, not for bad. Thank you all so much for today, for me, and for Eddie Murphy and his wife. Thank you all so much. God will bless you now with too much of blessing. I so much appreciate it. Yeah. Love you guys. Keep safe. Okay? Eddie Murphy, social media president. Epa, I love you. Okay? Love you. Anybody no gwalo wewe. Imamio ya dekun. Aya agbe the person ye kewe. Igbe ibruze, igbe asa, igbe as open. Igbe ibraze, oge imolo You understand? When you are till nepa. I love you. God will bless you, Epa. Ciao that day. Bye.